I don't know how to surf. I sure don't know how to swag. Like Soulja Boy said, dog, I got that mojo. Dog, I fuck that hoe on a pogo. Dog, I do this shit not solo. Before GME2C, niggas, we up here. See the rappers on this track right here. Dog, swag, I get it from my dad. Dog, I hit you with that jab. Send you home in a fucking cab. Yeah, dog, I heard your bitch out here sucking on a rag. That's bad, that's sad to the bone. Fresh like cologne, about to try to hit me alone. Man, holo on my feet. Yeah, dog. Dog. Gutter getting buttered like man nutter. Gutter. Okay. Hit him with that fucking swagger, daddy. Okay. Okay. Anticipated. What? I don't know how to surf cause I'm scared of that surfboard. You bring it back. Hey, what the fuck you pussies work for? Ain't mad at you niggas like why you in the dirt for? I can't afford, so therefore I record. Observing pussy niggas like you in the petri dish. I see these bitches, so I just cushion. Blowing on that cushion and the nigga get cushion. Hop up on your bitch like feeling another cushion. Hey little mama, I am not a rookie. No goodies, so I will steal them goodies. Go hoodie, all black shit. Click, clack, clip, leave you niggas with back lips. That shit is so nasty. I'm smoking on the kush, don't pass me. I don't surf, a nigga can't surf. I was gon' say surf, and that nigga get murked. Ayy, pit him dirt like 6 feet, but no, I'm aiming where your kidneys be. See, we be blowing on that Christmas tree, like climbing to the top of the star. No angel, smoking with the angels. Nigga get high like I'm just a bango. No, nigga rep this shit like a bango. He can get banged on the shot, see a tango. Up, cause we ain't giving a fuck and we ain't going to sleep. We always staying them up, spreading them guts out. We going straight into the balls. Call me Mr. Flood, going straight into the hall like